If you are looking for some 5-minute breakfast recipes that are healthy, easy, paleo, and delicious, then watch this video because I am sharing 3 healthy breakfast recipes that you can make in 5 minutes or less. And if you'd like to subscribe, we make lots of healthy, delicious recipes on this channel, and I'd love to have you. First off, we are making this egg taco bowl. So I'm starting off by slicing up a tomato, and this is what's gonna make our side tomato salsa. Tomatoes are great because they are absolutely loaded with vitamin C. And vitamin C is an important antioxidant in our body that does a lot of different things, one of which also helps to form collagen. So if you want collagen for healthy hair, skin, nails, gut, joints, vitamin C is very important for that. And you can also make the salsa in advance, so you can chop this up when your eggs are cooking the morning of, or you can make a big batch of it and just throw it on top when the eggs are done. So either way, it's very quick to make because tomatoes are easy to cut up in the morning, or you can make it in advance and it's good for about 5 days in the fridge. So either way you want to do it, it's still healthy, delicious, and quick to make. To that, we are going to be adding in some red onion. Red onion is great because it's loaded with glutathione, which really helps your liver detoxification process. And what your liver does is it helps to detox from everything we want to get out of our bodies. So that includes excess hormones, heavy metals, everything like that. And when our liver and our detoxification systems are working well, we have better digestion, better skin, better sleep, better overall because we're not holding all of that stuff in our bodies. We're able to kind of get it out. So I am just chopping up my red onion. Of course, if you don't like red onion, you can definitely do just a white normal onion here if you prefer. But I like red onion, especially with that color and that purple. That means you're getting different vitamins and minerals than you would get from a normal red onion. That means you're getting different vitamins and minerals that you would get compared to your normal white onion with all that wonderful purple color. So just chop that up and then add that into your bowl with your tomatoes. And then to that, we are going to be adding in some garlic. Garlic is a wonderful antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal. It's just so good for your immune system, and it really helps to fight off viruses, especially at this time of year. It's super good for you. To that, I'm gonna add in the juice of the lime. This adds a lot of flavor, lots of vitamin C, but also helps if you are making this in advance. It helps it really to stay fresh. And then I'm adding in some cilantro. Of course, if you don't like cilantro, you can switch this out for an herb of your choice. But I find adding herbs adds wonderful flavor, and it also adds in so much other vitamins. Then we are going to be whisking together a couple eggs into a bowl. You can really tell the quality of an egg from the color of the yolk. Eggs are wonderful because they are a complete protein, so they have all the wonderful amino acids that you would need. They're also a really quick protein to make, which is why I like them. They're ready in like under 5 minutes. They cook really easily, so they're definitely a good whole food protein that you can reach for in the mornings that cook super quick. So go ahead and heat your pan to medium heat, and then I'm just using a spatula to fold the eggs together. You want to take your eggs off the heat before they are fully cooked because otherwise they will overcook. They do kind of continue cooking a little bit once you remove them from the heat. So I would suggest taking them off when the center is still a little bit runny, and that way you have wonderfully fluffy eggs as opposed to ones that are over dry. So once your eggs are done, you can put that into your bowl or container if you're taking this to school or to work. And then you can add in as much or as little of the salsa on the side as you want. And then for some wonderful healthy fats, I'm going to be putting an avocado on the side. Avocados are a great fruit. They have all those healthy fats, which not only help to keep you full, but also help to keep your blood sugar stable so we're not getting hangry. They're also really good for your skin and your hair and your nails. They're just so wonderfully versatile. And I love the pairing with the eggs and the tomato salsa. It just tastes so yummy. So go ahead and scoop out half of an avocado or a whole one if you feel like you're super hungry. They're full of healthy fat, so either a full one or a half of one into your bowl or container. And this is honestly such a quick, delicious breakfast. You can definitely make the salsa while the eggs are cooking. We got healthy fats, protein, choline from the eggs for brain health. It's just a wonderful, balanced, healthy breakfast. Next up, we are making some overnight paleo porridge. So I'm starting off with some almond milk, and we're going to be making all of this in the blender, which is just gonna help it really gel up overnight. To that, I'm adding in some hemp hearts, which are wonderful omega-3s, protein, fiber, all of which really help to keep you full. some ground flax, again, fiber. Fiber is your friend. Fiber not only feeds gut health, helps keep you full, helps keep your blood sugar stable. It's just all around good. So the more fiber we get in, the better. A little bit of vanilla and some chia seeds. Chia seeds, again, are loaded with omega-3s, healthy fats, fiber. You guys see a trend here. All of these things are really what you want to incorporate into your meals so that you're not hangry, your blood sugar is balanced. Then I'm gonna also add in some coconut. If you don't like coconut, you can definitely switch this out for something else. Blend that together until it's nice and smooth, and you can leave this overnight so that it's ready to go in the morning. This is what it looks like once you blend it up right now. So you can even blend it. It takes like less than a minute to combine and blend in the morning, and then you can bring it to school or work as well. So you can either do it overnight or the morning of. Either way, it takes less than 5 minutes to make, and then I'm just throwing on some frozen fruit and some nut butter. You can also throw in granola, whatever kind of fruit that you like, especially if you throw on the frozen fruit into your mason jar or container the night before. It kind of softens a bit and gives a lot of like that flavor into the porridge itself. So this is a wonderful overnight thing that you can do, but you can also do it morning of. Takes less than 5 minutes. We've got lots of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and it tastes delicious. Lastly, we are making a pistachio bagel. So this is the cream cheese I like. It's only a few ingredients. It's cashews, water, coconut cream, sea salt, and cultures. And then I'm taking a paleo bagel. If you guys need a paleo bagel recipe, I do have one on my channel that I will link here and in the description box. But I also sometimes just buy them at my local grocery store, depending on how much time I have. But this is easy to do because you just put it in the toaster, or you can keep like bagels frozen in the freezer, pop them in the toaster, and then cover it with some cream cheese that's like a dairy-free one. What I love is nowadays there's so many great options. So if you feel like you normally had like a cream cheese bagel and then now you're dairy free and you think you have to give it up, there's so many great options and so many great brands that I want to highlight and show you guys that you can have quick, easy breakfast and just opt for the dairy free cream cheese that has, very clean ingredients. So we're lucky nowadays to have such access to these brands. So I want to highlight that. And then I put on some pistachios. Pistachios are loaded with vitamin B6, which is good for energy production. And B6 is also a cofactor in a lot of different processes in our body that help to give our mitochondria the energy we need to get throughout the day. Some hemp hearts. I just like a little bit of crunch on the top too. Delicious, but you can put whatever you want on your bagel, or you can just leave it plain. Either way, it's easy to kind of throw on some great nuts and seeds onto a cream cheese bagel, head out the door, and you have a quick breakfast. So now you have 3 healthy breakfasts that you can make in 5 minutes or less that taste absolutely delicious. If you'd like to subscribe, we make lots of delicious healthy recipes on this channel. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, your family, and tag me if you make my recipes, because I love seeing when you guys make them. It really makes my day. I am going to leave my healthy breakfast playlist right here that has tons more delicious healthy recipes in there. You're not going to want to miss out, so make sure to watch that after this video. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.